Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about career as a tool and die maker. I did my tool and die making from NTTF Dharwad, passed out in 1998. So I started my career as a tooling engineer. So basically in tool and die making is a specialized course. So you would basically focus on the practical. It's more practical oriented course. You will spend more time on the shop floor. You will spend more time on working on the machines, metrology, heat treatment. Lot of stuff will be covered there. And the important thing is you will study about plastic injection molds. You will study about fixtures, tooling. You will study about press tool design. So there is a good package of learning that happens in tool and die making. The important thing, what I found a difference is, it's more of a shop floor oriented course. So you get to do workshop calculations. You get to do physical measurement of the part, inspection, all that you get hands-on experience. It is not a theoretical course. You will have all the physical exercises to do, like you will be doing a bench work, and then you will be doing filing and doing the fitting kind of fittings, everything, like, which is a very important skill if you want to be an successful tool maker. So there are multiple roles that you can play in industry. You can become a specialized in the press tool design. You can become a specialized in the plastic injection mold. Both are very wide areas. You can become a specialized in the fixture design. That is another area you can look for. And if you are really passionate about spending time in the workshop, we call it as a tool room, where you will have the all machines and everything. So you can work with the machines, and then if you become a tool maker, you will get your tools to assemble and then finish them for the finish them for the final products. There also you will have a different fascinating things to do, like you will have to build the mold and then test it and then prove the component as required without flashes and all. You get to troubleshoot the tools. There are multiple roles that you can play even in the shop floor, like being a tool maker. You can be in maintenance, you can be in the new mold development, where you will complete the new molds and then try them out. More of a fitting work. You will fit the core and cavity and then test them for the correctness of the component, and then troubleshoot for any flashes or burn marks or anything. That is one role. The other role is you can be in maintenance in the press shop, or you can be in the plastic injection molding production line, where we will troubleshoot the molds on the assembly line. Like if any mold got stuck during the production, those you will be addressing, and then you'll be doing the regular maintenance of the plastic injection molds in the tool room. So other way around is you can be in the, if you pick your interesting area as a press tool, then you can be in the tool room, and then there also again two things. Press tool design is a huge area, huge domain. There are again two different major things that I would suggest is, like, one is on the new tool design and new tool manufacturing, and the second one is you were doing it in the maintenance, press tool maintenance, that you will be on in the press shop and doing the maintenance of the press tools and troubleshooting the any issues with the presses and resharpening the punches. There are many things that would be doing in the maintenance. Most of the time it will be a troubleshooting kind of stuff when you are in the press shop. For the to be in the tool room, the important skill would be your ability to have precision machining knowledge, and not only knowledge, practical experience to control the sizes within required fitment. That becomes very crucial when you are on the shop floor. So when you are doing a new press tools, you will get the design from the tool design department, and then you would build those press tools for the as per the drawing. So you will be managing the shop floors, and then you will have very good control on the machining, and then production process and other things. So this is about the tool making. The other way of career is to start your career as a designer. You can be a designer in any one of them, like you can be in plastic injection mold design, and then you can be in a press tool design, you can be in tools and fixture designs. So this has a wide area. You can become a plastic mold designer there. First, let's discuss about the plastic mold designers. Quickly, I will give you a bird view what you would be doing as a plastic mold designer. Plastic mold designer, basically you will be getting the data from the customer, or it may be, if it is the own product of the company, then it will be done internally. So based on data that you will be generating your core cavity, and then selection of mold base, selection of injection types of gates, all that as a design element you will decide, and then calculate the capacity of the machine that mold would go there. So based on that, then you will generate the drawings, and then next phase comes the electrode design. Electrode design and NC programming is another area where tool maker can play a critical role. There are many people who took up only electrode design and plastic mold design as a career, and there are many guys who took up NC programming for the EDM wire cut and the milling machines. In case of plastic injection mold, the main machining lies into your core and cavity. So because these core and cavity are the heart of the your mold, so rest of the things you can buy it from outside, like your mold bases. There are many companies who does the mold bases. So basically you get to do a lot of designing activities as a tool maker in case of plastic mold stuff. We will discuss further details in my next video. Many people were asking me what would be career as a tool maker. I'm going to do a series of video based on my experience, so that you get benefited and you have enough information to make the decisions. But you can always go and explore and ask many more people before you make any decision on this. This is what I thought would be better that I would share with you all, because many of them were calling me and asking what do you suggest if I do a tool and die making, what will be the career and all that. So I thought this video and then sharing my experience with you all will definitely benefit. So thank you all for watching my videos. Keep tuned for the next video. I'll be doing many more videos related to this, so that you get complete information and make right career choices. Thank you. Stay safe. See you with the next video. Thank you.